This video will explain how to advanced reusable ovulation test. Avoid result. There are 3 key test steps. Make sure LH symbol facing up and is shown on the same side of LCD display. Insert the LH test stick into the monitor until locked completely. You will feel a slight click and beep sound. In the meanwhile, all symbols displayed along with beeps shortly. After displayed symbols one by one, the monitor beeps again with a steady LH on the display. Do not absorb urine unless the steady LH symbol shows on the display. Enter the absorbent sampler into your collected urine sample for at least 20 seconds. You will hear beeps, and the LH symbol will flash to show the test is working. Lay the monitor on a flat surface with the display facing up. Around 5 minutes, the monitor will beep again, and the display will show your result. After you have read the result, press the eject button on the monitor to remove the test stick, and keep the monitor in a cool and dry place for next test.